And today we have Stella Rose Blueberry. And we're going to try that today. Let you know how it goes.
Stella Rosa Blueberry. So this one is number 5 on the scale from dry, semi-sweet, and sweet. And it has, how much alcohol volume do we have in this one?
It says 5%.
5%.
5% alcohol.
So should
volume.
be pretty light.
Yeah, so
on that buzz.
But all that matters really is the taste. So we're gonna taste this really quick. Easy twist. There we go. Twist top. Smell some?
I'll do it in my glass because we don't.
Right.
That's not sanitary.
Oh, yeah.
You smell it in my glass. Got a nice fizz going in there. Yeah, I smell blueberry. Do you want to cheers before I drink?
Let me put the top back on so I won't spill.
All right. Yeah,
It's okay.
Yeah, I should have got some ice because it's kind of warm.
Yeah. So. Whew. So.
I do taste taste that little bitter, like a bitter.
Like citrusy.
Yeah, it's definitely got some little bitter.
Yeah, like some
lemon or something.
like lemon, mellow yellow.
Mellow yellow.
Limeade.
Yeah, it says search it. Says it's a good pairing with fresh fruit, cheese, spicy cuisine, and desserts. Are good pairings for this one. Stella Rosa Blueberry. Yeah, this one's pretty good. It's just warm. There's a nice bubble there on it, little fizz. What you got to say about that?
I don't know. I'm still trying to, it's just like my mouth is like trying to get saliva.
Your mouth is dry.
It dried out my mouth. But overall, I think I probably need some cheese or something with it.
Yeah. It just needs to be, it should have been chilled because it's good, it's just warm. So that makes it, that's probably what's making it like even more like, I don't know, citrusy maybe. I usually like to have ice in mine either way. You're just gonna pour me some more.
So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna finish this bottle off and we're gonna fast forward it.
Yeah. We'll come back after we about midway through this bottle. Go
So
talk to
you
y'all.
might see us go zoom, 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 zoom real quick. Yeah.
In conclusion, we about finished this bottle. It was more than halfway gone. We're gonna go ahead and give our rating on it.
Out of 10, I give it a 6. Nah, I give it a 7.
Why? Why you gonna give it a 7?
Because I do taste the sweetness of the blueberry, and that's what I like. I stay true to the blueberry. You know, you taste things that say it's gonna be like a blueberry favorite, but it tastes like strawberries. I don't like that.
Okay. Yeah, this definitely tastes like you drinking blueberries, like just straight up blueberries got juiced and put in this bottle with a hint of alcohol. Like it literally tastes like you're drinking blueberry juice. So it's not really super sweet. It's got definitely got that bitter taste side to it. Like the Stella Rosa Black is like tastes sweeter than this. That one's, if you want something super sweet, get that Stella Rosa Black, because that's like super sweet. Like that tastes like you're drinking like juice with alcohol in it, but it's fizzy too. It's like just like this. So when we get this, we got this from Target.
Yeah, Target.
I just dropped some of that on the table, but
We got this from Target.
Yeah, we got this one from Target.
It was how much?
Ooh, maybe like $11.99.
$11.99, I think so.
Yeah.
And sometimes they have coupons, so.
Or be on sale or whatever. The Stella Rosa got good. I never taste like a nasty one Stella Rosa, so.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna leave here. We're giving Stella Rosa a blueberry a 7.
7 out of 10 on the rating for this one.
And before we go, just want to say, don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly.
And subscribe. And we see y'all in the next review.
Bye.